So I just got home. Hold up. Okay, so it is October 31st. It's 5:47 p.m. I just got home from work and I finally ordered a film camera, specifically the Canonet QL17 Giii, and it finally came. I ordered it on eBay over the weekend. No, last week. Yeah, last week, and it finally came. And it comes with some accessories. I'll probably do another video, but I just want to show you. Just want to record this. I'm so excited. This is damn it, I can't even talk right now. Lens hood, shutter button, black and red. Ooh, a battery, and a cloth. Comes nice and packaged. What is this? This is a thank you for your purchases. Please be sure to leave feedback. Okay, let's open this up. So yeah, nice little shutter buttons. The battery it's gonna use is this one. I did look it up before, and yeah, it's a correct battery. Now let's open this up. Oh, I'm so nervous. So excited, I mean. God, I hope it works. And I bought it for $59. $59. Not bad. I think I'm gonna need scissors. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. It is nice. Wow. Yo, this is the first time I'm seeing this. It is really nice. Oh my goodness. That's it. I'm gonna experiment with this, play around, see what's up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Gotta check if it works and everything. God, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so happy. I know, I'm pretty sure it has film inside. I can feel it. I'm pretty sure it does. Gotta hear a click or something. It feels like it's rewinding. Oh, there you go. And then you pop this open. There you go. It had a Kodak Gold 2 ISO 100. Wow. It is beat up, but it is nice looking. I mean, I gotta replace the light seals for sure. Now let me just check. It works. You guys saw that? That noise was so weird. I'm just so happy. It works. The shutter. Look in the middle of the circle. Boom. That's 500. Now let's see. 125. Yeah. A bit slower. Look at 60. Oops. Yep, a lot slower. That's good. Let's check out 30. Good. 15. It looks like it's perfect, man. Oh, I don't know. Oh, there you go. Need to rewind it good. All the way back, all the way forward. It's 80. I mean, that's 8, so it's slower. A lot slower. Let's check at 4. Oh. Yeah. But it looks good, man. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Now, let me check this aperture thing. Oh, yep, it moves up and down. That's good. This shrink. Let me make this click faster. Oh, I don't know. Did it move? I don't know. I can't see. Let me open this up. Be a lot better. Yep. See how this close is. Yep. Works. That way everything's in focus, and now very specific thing is everything is focused. I am so happy. Thank God. Oh my goodness. It works how it should be. You see that? You feel that? So yeah, the light seals do need replacing for sure. But overall, wow. Let me check. I don't know when this stopped recording, but it works. Hold up. Oh yes, it works. It works good. It's a bit dark in here. It works really good. Thank God. Oh man, I am so happy. So happy. I just gotta really deep clean it and everything. Then I'm gonna check the battery, make sure it works good. Oh man, let me check if this works. Now that I'm here, screw it. Check if this fits it. Hopefully. Ooh. Oh, it does. It fits good. It fits good. Wow. That's how it looks with it. But overall, I'm so happy it's made in Taiwan. Wow. Oh, wow. This is it. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted so bad. Yeah, so I am gonna take my time, clean it up, and I'll make a really good review. I'll make a detailed review, I'm hoping, one of these days, if not over the weekend, but one of these days for sure. But Jose, he finally got it, October 31st. You guys, camera and it works for $69. No, $59. $59. $59, man. I'm gonna clean it up. Oh my God, thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.